We just bought a new house. Comes with this 25-year-old Craftsman garage door opener. Of course, the previous owners don't have any remotes they can give us, so I have to buy some remotes and see if I can hook them up. This is the Everyday Man. If you like this video, I appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the like button. I got two garage door openers that are considered to be universal with instruction sheet for $15. They shipped them overnight. I got them the very next day. These garage door openers are very small, very handy. If they work, it's going to be great. So here's a view of the garage door opener. It's a Craftsman half horsepower. This is the antenna. It's not a high voltage or anything. You can't get a shock from it. It's simply the antenna that picks up the signal from the remote control. There's a couple of adjustments you can make here on how high or how low the garage door will travel. We're not going to mess with that. It seems to work fine. And right here you'll see a red button. Now when you're buying a universal remote, you're going to see in the description which color learn button the remote will work with. So this one happens to be red, and the remote is red, so that's good. So let's see if this works. I'm supposed to press and release the learn button. All right, the light went on. Now I have 30 seconds to press this and hold it. It's blinking and it clicked. So now we're going to try it. All right, that was a little bit too easy. I've got two remotes for $15. Comes with a battery. You can put it on your keychain or just put it in your pocket. We're just going to leave them in our vehicles. So this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.